Look, 99% of you are making one massive fundamental mistake when using AI. If you are just typing basic one line prompts, you are completely wasting its true power. We kind of treat AI like a standard Google search. Honestly, it's a terrible limiting habit. Giving the AI a high specific persona absolutely crushes a generic boring prompt every single time. So, here's the ultimate equation. Just combine a specific role, a goal, and proper context. Literally giving it a job first instantly generates much higher quality, incredibly polished results. Now take that perfectly optimized prompt across different platforms and something fascinating happens. That exact same prompt actually yields completely different answers across ChatGPT, Claude and Gemini. In this side-by-side test, one specific AI platform clearly outshines all the rest. Claude takes the absolute crown for writing. ChatGPT is still incredible, hard to beat for research. Don't test this all yourself. Follow the prompts take AI for daily tools and hidden feature. So what role will you assign your AI today? Right? It's time.